Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Okay, the yen has dropped a whole lot more. You can see there was the first trade, the second one, and now the third one. This is actually quite nice that it's going against me, so I can show you guys exactly how it works, and you can follow, and we'll see where it takes us. Righto. Now, as you can see, I've been opened up in 3 trades. You can see I've got 1, 2, 3 trades open up over here. So what I've got to do now is I've got to add all 3 of these here together. Right, where is my calculator so we can add it all up together? Right, let's have a look. The first one was 157.82, 157.82 plus 156, 156.82 plus 155, 155.82, and that gives us a total of 470.46. We'll see 470.46 divided by 3 this time, because we've got 3. That gives us an average of 156.82 plus 100 gives us 157.82. So that means all our take profits has to be changed now to 157.82. Where is it? Right, 157.82. Right, there it is. First one has been changed. It's going to change the second one. $157.82, and then of course they could put onto the last one, and that will also be 157.82. Now guys, as you can see, it's busy lying on the entry point of the very first trade. So this, if we go up and we're going to hit the target over there, you're going to be into some big profits, because this one will be going up 200 pips, that one will be going up 100 pips, which will make up for the loss of that 100, that one you had over there, right? And actually that one's on its entry price, so you won't be losing on that one there, but these two here will be giving you a total of about 300 pips. But like I said to you yesterday in the previous videos, I'll be watching it from now on, because I've got 3 trades open now already. So the minute I'm going to see any profit on this trade over here, even if it's just $1 profit, I will close out immediately, because we're running into 3 trades, open trades already. The 4th one is lying over here, and I think I might as well just put in one more extra order, just in case. Let's just go and see here. Right, let's just go down. Okay, because you can see it's a market. I want a pending order, and it must be a buy limit, and my price for that buy limit is going to be 100 pips below that one there, so 153.82. So it's going to be 153.82. Right, and I'm going to place one more order there. Right, so now I've got 2 orders lying here still waiting to be triggered. Should the yen drop more, it's going to be entering me into more trades over there. I'm not too worried at this point of time, because there's only 3 open trades, and like I said to you, I normally make provision to go at least 10 trades against me before I really start worrying about it. So with that said, guys, you can see, and we're busy following it up. This is now the second update on this trade. Let's hope that in the next day or 2 maybe it'll punch out into some money. Let's hope so. You never know in this game. It is something that nobody can really predict where it'll be going to next. Righto guys, thank you for watching, and keep watching to see the updates that will be coming in the future.